Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Wi-Fi is not showing on the list of available networks on Windows. So first method would be to go on search and write down view network connections, and you want to make sure that your connection network adapter is enabled. So you want to go ahead and just see, for example, Ethernet. You want to go ahead and see that it is enabled and not disabled. If it is disabled, you want to enable it. Now, after you've done that, you want to go to the other step. If that didn't fix the problem, you want to go to troubleshoot settings. On troubleshoot settings, you want to go ahead to other troubleshooters and then network and internet, and you want to run this troubleshoot option. Now it will fix the problems for you if you have any. After that, you want to open up services option. On services option, you want to click anywhere and click on W. On W, you want to scroll down until you will find WLAN auto config, and you want to make sure that double click on it, and you want to make sure that startup type is automatic and that the service is running. If it's not running, just click start, then click apply and OK. Now after you've done that, you want to again find it and you want to click a restart option. Now the last thing you can do is go to network reset on your system settings and just click reset now, and you will need to log into your Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi once again, and you need a password for it. If you're using Ethernet, then there's no problem with it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.